Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl.
Guys, be honest. So you were thinking of share market, you were thinking to invest in share market, and you were researching about that, and that's how you got this IQ option in your mind through ads or something. So now you want to do research about it, that is it legit or not, or can you really make money in this or not, right? Because same thing has happened with me. I was thinking of investing in share market, trying to be the expert of share market or whatever. I was researching about this, and that's how I got to know about IQ option, and I invested. And what happened in this, I'm going to tell you in this video. So just stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and please make sure to watch the video by the end. Please don't skip. First, second, try to share this video with friends and family, that if they are too thinking of trying in IQ option, then they might know the reality of what I've gone through. What I've gone through, I don't want you to go through because it's painful. So let's get started. And as I always say, keep helping and keep being helped. Before I start talking about IQ option, let me just give you a little bit of advice or a little bit of basic information about this, what it is. This is one of the trending and famous app for online trading. Okay, what you have to do in this, you have to do minimum you can start with $10. Like suppose you spend $10, then you will have 10 time to lose or 10 time to win. Even 10 time you can try. It's not that you invested $10 and you will have to bid on any company share or any oil or whatever. So that's how it goes. You can start with $10 minimum, and you can try with $1. Say even you will keep losing, you will have 10 time to win or 10 time to lose. Okay, this was the small briefing about IQ option. Okay, and now I'm gonna say something. It might be harsh, but listen. So now the $1 million question comes, that should we do it? Is it legit? Then I will say no, we shouldn't do, because this is one of the most motherfucker cocksucker app which I ever seen. You know what's with this? This app put you in doubt. First of all, when you will start this application, okay, they will give you like a 1,000 dummy dollar, okay, and you start practicing it. Every single time you will try with dummy money, you will always win. I don't know what's wrong with this application. Okay, they first make you believe that now you completely understood this application and you are ready to go through with real money. Keep on trying, you practicing that, yeah, okay, let's practice with demo money for 1 week, 1 month. I'm telling you, that's what's gonna happen. Now this application got you completely brainwashed. Now you think that you are confident enough to put your real money. Or suppose after 1 week of practice, after 1 month of practice, now you are ready to put your bank account in it. And this is where real game start. The moment you put your real money, because the dummy money will be gone the moment you put your real money, and the moment you start playing with your real money, that's when you cry, that's when you lose all your money. This is more of a way to lose money and less of a way to earn money. If you're really looking for a way to earn money, then I'll say, please don't you fucking try this. Don't you fucking try this. This is the one motherfucker app I have ever seen. First, it brainwashes you, gives you fake confidence that yeah, you are ready enough to play this application and you will win it. As long as you play with dummy money, you will keep on winning. But the moment you put your real money, that's when the real game starts. Oh, this application sucks all your real money and make you feel that yeah, now you are just a loser. Don't do that. Don't ever try this application, because I've tried it, I've cried. Now I don't want any one of you to cry. Please, look guy, it's not easy to make money, okay? And I know very well why you even considered this way to make money, because I can understand, because I'm just like you. But all I'm saying, if you really have money, try to put money in real estate, okay? And if you really want to do share market, okay, if you really want to do and invest in share market, then go and first learn about it on internet. Then find one broker whose duty is to make money out of your profit. So he will be forced to make a profit of to get his profit, okay? So just find a broker, and that's how it's a start, okay? There is no shortcut, there is no being online trading from this application. It doesn't work like that. So go and find a broker who will risk his ass off, who will do his ass off just to make profit for you, that yeah, he can make money from out of your profit. Don't just randomly download this application, think that yeah, you are confident enough that yeah, you can do it, because I've done it and I've lost my money. Just because they are given money by this IQ option to make a fake video about my application, just admire fake. I don't want to do that. Okay, I'm just telling you my real experience, what I gone through. I don't want you to go through. Still, if you still want to do it by seeing another video, be my guest, just do it. And when you will lose your money, then I need you to please make video about how you lost money, and try not to let other people, try to stop some other people from doing the mistake which I have done it. If you too don't listen me and invest money in this and lost your money, then I need you to please make video that, yeah, I saw video of how this is not working, but still you did it deliberately because you wanted to do, but you lost it. So maybe by seeing my video, by seeing your video, other people like us won't be fooled the way we have been fooled. Okay, so just do that. Also, I just want to say only one thing: you are amazing. You are amazing. Just keep on doing whatever you're doing in life, and that's all. Thank you.